Here is the Air King 9723 box fan. I've always wanted one of these. So let's go ahead and open it up and let's see what we got. If you're wondering why the TV remote is on that white part of the box, that's because that's information I don't want nobody to see.
I'm not sure what these are called. Those are real. Those are real. I don't know. I'm gonna have to ask you. Beautiful place. State Park. All right. We'll have your 7-day forecast.
All right, Prince Al, thanks. So McDonald's is stepping up. They are giving the first all healthcare workers, police officers, and firefighters with a valid ID or uniform can get a free egg McMuffin and a small coffee until 10:30 in the morning. The deal is valid at participating restaurants in Riverside, San Bernardino, right here in San Diego. The nation's blood supply is facing a dire shortage while we focus on the COVID-19 pandemic.
Coming up, a San Diego leader teams up with the Red Cross for a very important blood drive. So right now, here's Brennan Stone.
Sports report, the U.S. Open is on the San Diego schedule for 2021, but could a once-in-a-century event turn touring into Golf Central a little earlier than expected?
As always, the same stuff.
The interesting story, and we'll break it down for you. It's at 1:45.
And there it is.
6 feet apart at least. Let's look after ourselves as well as others. All do our part to their part. When this is over, we will all continue to thrive.
We find ourselves in a moment of common humanity, when all the world is going through the same trials. Every one of us is returning to that most precious sanctuary, home. As we hold our loved ones close, we offer this humble gesture.
Alright, I'll be right back. I don't want to bore you with all this stuff I'm going to do next. I'll be right back. Okay, so let's go ahead and open it up and see what we got. There's a picture of what the fan looks like. And let's see what we got. I can tell you right now, it don't have the D blaze, so if you think it has the D blaze, well, you're wrong. It has the modern flower blades. Let's go ahead and see what we got.
Here's Lauren Finney with a preview. Coming up tomorrow on Good Morning San Diego, we're going to have tips for small businesses, how to get you through financially this difficult time. Plus, we're also going to be talking to local performers about how they're giving concerts during quarantine, how they're performing for you. We'll have that and much more on Good Morning San Diego. We'll see you tomorrow. All right, sounds good.
You know what's coming up next on the All Sports Report. We are talking two types of clubs. First, the ones our kids are in right now. How about if that's players and coaches? And then the types of clubs Tiger Woods hopes to swing at touring. But could a much anticipated tournament come a year early? We'll look at an interesting report from the next.
Outside during the stay-at-home order, you can enjoy Balboa Park.
All-American Pain Body in Kearny Mesa remains open to help our community. Our sanitized facility hosts smaller social distance teams trained in advanced hygiene. We're a certified test.
No, I'm not keeping the box.
Providing superior collision repair for all mixed.
Yes, it does have the holes on the side of each side for the stand. Yes, you can get the stand for it, for the 9723 or the 9701. It will work for both. No, I'm not going to buy the stand for it. I'm just going to use it the way it is. Yes, the cabinet is thick.
When we first opened our doors, it didn't take us long to realize
Yes, it has a 3-prong cord. Yes, it has the tuna can motor.
we were in the people business.
We needed to be helpful
Respectful.
and compassionate. To treat people like this.
It's what we all signed up for.
No, the hub does not have the little hole cut out.
We've always done.
So we're going to get it plugged up and see what we got. But it looks like it's well built.
Will follow.
I'm not quite ready yet. I'll be right back.
Stand right
All right, let's see what we got.
basketball. Knocking it down is Cookie Ellis, but now they're
This is just the invoice. I showed it quick because I don't want nobody to see my address.
coaches uttering the same unbelievable refrain. What are we supposed to do here, man? Like, this is crazy, man. Like, no basketball, man?
They did an excellent job on the manual. It's not damaged. It's not all messed up. It's because Air King cares about their customers. They do care about their customers.
Events coming up in April and May, getting their last listens, trying to get them some opportunities at the next level. So a lot of who we really busy right now.
Mainly our families that we're praying for, our closest friends, and making sure that everybody is okay.
Yes, I'm holding on to the manual.
Everybody's doing what they're supposed to do to stay healthy.
We've shown you Seaside Volleyball before, filled with generational and inspirational talent. Talent that now sits at home, waiting for the next spike.
The girls' side of the club right now is in mid-season right now, so their events are being postponed. Definitely want to get the boys back in as soon as possible because they're not playing volleyball right now where they normally are. And then when they come back from the high school season,
There is some cosmetic on the handle,
to go right back.
and there's some cosmetic on the top part of the cabinet here. So I don't know if this is used or new or what, or maybe it just came like that from the manufacturer, the factory. I'm trying to figure out how you're going to get that 3-prong cord out of the
Club rules,
handle there without breaking it.
guidelines are interrupting both of those missions. If you can't showcase the kids, it's harder to get them to that big university. And if you're a senior, it's an even larger problem.
But it looks like the cosmetic is easy to come off.
The live period's coming up in April, which is when D1 and D2 scouts come out and see them play. Hoping that whatever they get pushed back, they change the dates and give you that opportunity to get the extra. And then the juniors would have been their biggest year this summer. They need that time to see and get out and play. It's going to hurt the team as far as bonding and continuity.
Oh, there we go.
Just in general, it hurts.
Thank goodness it came off.
Coaches can't even go out and see guys, so it's putting in series behind, high school behind. Everything is just kind of came to a screeching halt. Kids can contact the coaches, sending them film and stuff like that. But again, they're not going to be able to see them out playing and different things like that. The need of the girls' season especially is being really disrupted right now. And even if we go back in the gym and we start having tournaments,
Yeah, there was a couple of scuffs on the top part of the cabinet. It looks like it might have came from the manufacturer.
Until you can't do it anymore. You're just trying to find the time to build a space. You know what I mean? And that's just really the most important thing that stay apart.
I don't know if you can see that.
Well,
Probably can't.
Saints, brotherhood, and
Right there, you see that little bit of scuffs.
really, brothers and father, all a part of that North Park campus. And for the next 4 years, he's moving his operations to Sunset Cliffs.
It seems kind of like a bigger Saints to me.
First time I ever had one this wide.
Teachers are there for the students. It seems like they have a real community feel to it. So it seems like a great.
Some more
And
scuffs,
also the opportunity to play at a high level.
scratches,
They have a chance to compete for a national championship in Division II, and I'm really
a
playing.
few imperfections, but what else is new, right? I mean, come on, it's a modern fan. Come on.
Go watch a couple of his games. He's a great player, and that's also what's intriguing is they have
See the hole right there?
pros there at the Division II level.
That's the hole for the stand. Yes, it does come like that. There's a scratch right there. I don't know if you can see it.
Do with basketball.
I think I might want to be a coach, possibly, or maybe stay in like front office type of stuff. I want to stay in basketball. I love the competitive nature that basketball brings. So yeah, if I
It
can
does have the tuna can motor, but what else is new? All box fans do these days.
Dad being your coach
It's
does
badly
that
scratched
make
up
you
right there.
work harder or have to work harder?
I don't know if you can see that, but if you look right there, you see it, right? It's badly scratched up from the manufacturer. Nothing I did. Now, that just because it's scratched up like that from the manufacturer does not mean it's an old fan. It's a new fan.
entire way. Basketball has been incredible. There's been some ups and downs, but that's really what's made it so special with these group of 16 years that graduated this year.
You also have brothers that have been athletes and stuff at Saints. Talk a little bit about them, what their sports they played, and your guys' bonds.
I have my older brother Dallas that played basketball all 4 years.
What I like about this fan the most is you don't need no stinking little feet to put in there to help hold it up. The cabinet is vintage, so it's a hold up on its own, and it's heavy enough. Now, finally, to the part that everybody's been waiting for. Let's see it run.
He played soccer actually, doing a different
Definitely loud. I like it when it's loud. Medium power. And finally, low power. Now, comparing this to the mainstays or the house to home or whatever brand names they slap on those fans, you know, the ones that they got for mainstays and house to home, that black one I got recently and then the other one, you already know those are loud. The one with the skinny blades and the other one. But this is like 10 times louder than that. Even on low, it's loud. So it's not a low, it's more like a high-low. And then it's got a medium high, and then it's got a powerful high, is what it has. But I have to be honest, it is moving a crap load of air. So I have to honestly be honest. Air King makes a better box fan than Lasko, period. And it has that vintage cabinet, it has the vintage thickness. And it still comes with those little holes on the side, but you don't really see that anymore these days. It doesn't have that silly little hole in the vent. I mean, that little vent hole in the hub. The blade is well balanced. Yep, the blade is well balanced. It's not shaking. It's not doing all that stuff. Medium high. You already had it on low high, medium high. Full power. And now spin down. Keep in mind it's a brand new fan. It hasn't even been used. So if the spin down is short, well, the blade has to, not the blade, but the motor has to, you know, the oil has to kick in before the spin down gets longer. So there you go. But the fan blade is not out of balance. Let's try it again. Unfortunately, it doesn't have much of a start sound, but just because a fan don't have a start sound doesn't mean it's not a good fan. It is a good fan. It gets the job done. Yep, the blades are in perfect balance. No, they're not going back and stuff. They're all perfectly balanced. So, there you go. There it is, ladies and gentlemen. I finally have an Air King box fan in the collection. And yes, Jordan, it is thick. It does have the holes on the side, and it's very powerful. I have to honestly admit, bro, I know you like quiet fans, but it's loud, man. It's loud on low, medium, and high. But it actually starts up the other way. It's high, medium, and low. But like I told you before, I like loud fans. I like loud noise, so it doesn't bother me. Other than that, it's a good fan. I'm so glad I finally got one with the original cabinet of the vintage days. And there you go. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed it. You're going to see more of this fan in the future. This is the one I'm going to definitely use to cool the room with. Just in time for the spring, which is now in summer. It might get used in the window sometime and on a table. It's super thick. It is far thicker than all the other box fans in the collection. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Rate, comment, subscribe, share, love, and like, and all that good stuff. And I'll see y'all in the next one. God bless you and gone. Lamont the Fan Man and out.